Wayne here. We're over here at the Ram Man Inc. We're going to visit the School of Common Sense. We've got a gentleman that's having trouble with his wheel adapters on his dually. Now these two, they've been mated together for a little while, and so they go like that. We have lots of people that bench top their stuff. We call them bench top mechanics. They get it all out because they're a little worried, little concerned, not sure if they truly know what they're doing. We get a few shops. We've had a couple of them. This is true now. Hell, we had one. It's October of 2018. Hell, we had one 2 weeks ago. They sent us that picture. And they said, our wheel adapters won't go all the way down. You've effed up. Machine works all wrong. Bye, 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 bye. So we asked him, we said, well, where's the rotor? Well, it's on the truck. We're laying everything. I said, well, where's the rotor? Well, it's on the truck. We're laying there. I said, well, where's the rotor? And he goes, oh, shit. The rotor goes on, don't it? Well, yeah. If you want to have any brakes, the rotor's got to go on. Oh my God, I feel like such a dipshit. I said, you're not the only one. This has happened before. It's the bench top mechanics that have the biggest amount of trouble. Fear, lack of capability, not sure, not real competent. Here's another. This doesn't come up as often, believe it or not. This is new. We hold very tight clearances on these factory wheel adapters. These are cast and machined Mopar. These are all factory. This is extremely tight clearances. It's hard enough when you've got one or two and put a plate on there. They gotta be just right. You know, if this won't move and your plate. So, now when you do 8, boy, it can get really, really tight. And sometimes you have to do something what's called stud massaging. These are drilled and pressed, and maybe they need to be moved a few thousandths. Maybe they need to be adjusted just a little bit. Maybe they need to be... Sometimes you have to actually... These clearances are very tight. Couldn't we drill these out and make them nice and sloppy? Like some old wore out stuff in its 70s? Or can we keep it tight? We prefer to keep ours tight. We only do one pattern here. And we're kind of familiar with it. Sometimes, look at there. That's how tight they are. Sometimes, you might have to do just a little teeny bit of massage. With some kind of device. Just because you set your stuff up like there and it doesn't slide all the way down to the flange doesn't mean that the parts are wrong, the machine works wrong, the studs are wrong, and all this. Let's make up some problems. Around here, it's all about the solution. God bless you. God bless America, and happy trucking.